So here's the deal. My dad has offered to take me to a place called Goose Lake Natural Area. Not Goose Lake State Natural Area up in northern Wisconsin, and not Goose Lake Prairie down south of Juliet. This is a lesser known Goose Lake Natural Area located near Hebron, and there is where you find breeding yellow-headed blackbirds. Beautiful blackbirds with yellow heads. Anyway, before I can get to go there, I have to finish mowing the lawn. This wouldn't be such a problem if it weren't for the fact that our mower was in complete disrepair. It was duct taped here and there, there's paracord tying up the cable, you name it. And on top of that, the thing that's supposed to lock which height you set it to was pretty much not working either. Every time I made a turn, it would adjust back down to the lower setting, which was super frustrating. But I was feeling innovative, and I had a solution. More duct tape. A do-it-yourself DIY fix. Anyway, so the mower is basically junk, but I finally did get it completed. And then it was time to move on to the actual point of the video, which is Goose Lake Natural Area. Well, now that I got that taken care of, finally go take some pictures. So we've arrived, got my bicycle. We're gonna head down Hebron Trail right now. Here it is right there. All right, let's do this. Bear with me a moment. This isn't as easy as it looks. Oh, wow. So many railhead. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. At least 20 I saw them with yellow heads. Folks, we have arrived. This is incredible. And beautiful. I thought it'd take me a lot longer, but I'm gonna stop the camera for a moment so I can go take some pictures of this. Like a dummy, dropped the cap to my binoculars back there. It's really bothering me that I'm not finding it. Oh, there it is. bird photography can sometimes be so frustrating. Because on the one hand, you got the birds that are typically uncooperative. They're moving around all the time. They don't like you to get too close, and you gotta be careful with that. And then on the other hand, of course, the lighting. I'm sure you can tell this is not ideal lighting conditions. It was supposed to be overcast, and we drove through like heavy downpours on the way here. And yet, when I get here, it's like sunny. So what's going on? So it's really difficult to get good pictures of birds when it's sunny and high noon. But just trying to work with what I got. So, oh well, what can you do? Just riding along here, and all of a sudden, the trail just turns to nothing. Oh, is this interesting?